All right, here comes number 4 of the Gilligan's Island practice sheet. At the beginning of period 4, a single propeller plane is seen crashing on the horizon. The next day, the skipper finds a box labeled FedEx on the beach. This might sound familiar. It's from another story, Castaway, Tom Hanks. It's a great film, actually. When he opens the box, he finds a pair of ice skates. Fortunately, he has seen the movie Castaway, and he knows how to use these skates to cut trees and vines. How would an economist view the skates in this situation? An economist would view this as a piece of capital because it's a tool. B. Will the skipper be able to make more housing and communication equipment with the aid of the skates? Yes. Letter C. Sketch this change in the aggregate supply aggregate demand framework. Well, this change looks just like it did for our first question that we did in the aggregate supply and aggregate demand framework because our output of the economy is determined by the same things that our growth function tells us. That is the labor, the capital, the human capital, the natural resources in the economy, all improved by technology. And so what we have here if we were here in equilibrium when the skipper found these ice skates, this was we're just producing on our production possibilities curve. Now that the professor has found these ice skates, this is a permanent change, unless there's depreciation in excess of any capital replacement anyway, because it's capital. So that increases the productive ability of the economy, and it's cheaper to make stuff, so it increases short-run aggregate supply, and that means more stuff at lower prices. So that's what we're talking about. Having more tools is a good thing. Finding more tools falling from the sky is a good thing for an economy, assuming more is better. What will likely happen to GDP on the island? Well, we just saw there it would increase. Is this a real change or a nominal change? Is this like the money thing? No, this is a real thing. So the price level falls because the goods are more plentiful relative to dollars. And it's a permanent real change. Since the skipper owns the skates and knows how to use them, his labor more or less valuable? See, that piece of capital enhances him as a laborer, doesn't it? What might happen to his wages? He is more valuable. His wages are likely to increase because of his ability to interact with that piece of capital, which is his.